Okay, so you watching this video, listen and listen real quick. In this video, I want to show you how to edit video content like a content creator with just your mobile phone. Okay, it amazes me when I see some of my students or some of my audience or even some of my friends, they have good mobile phones. Some of them even have iPhone. And if you ask them, do you know how to edit a video? Are you good with video editing? They will tell you no. What? Are you for real? You have a mobile phone and you don't know how to edit videos? Even the basics? And you have a smartphone? What are you doing with that smartphone? And you want to become a content creator? Oh, you think you need all of the sophisticated gadgets before you can get started as a content creator? Oh, you want to have the best of microphone, the best of camera, the best of the best of mentorship. Well, it doesn't work that way. Okay, so in this video I will show you with my own mobile phone how content creators edit video. I'm a content creator. I will show you how I edit videos. And this video can be monetized. You can publish it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. It doesn't matter. Anywhere you publish it, it will never fall for, copyright, violation claims. It will never violate copyright violation claims. So without much far time, if you have a mobile phone, join me. Let's dive deep into some of these basic video editing tools that you can find on either Play Store or iOS Store. Take good advantage of them. Let's go. Okay, so what you are seeing right now is my mobile phone screen. So let me show you how content creators edit videos with mobile phone. First of all, what you need is a video editing tool or a video editing software, which you can find on app stores. Here on my own mobile phone, it's an Android phone. If I go to Play Store, this is the section of your mobile phone where you find numerous applications to download and make use of. Now, what we are after is video editing. So here, I will just come and search on video editing tools or free video editing softwares. Okay, here they have free video editing apps. Then I click on it. It opens. Automatically, you will find various free video editing apps here. We have the video editor and maker InShot. We have InShot. This is the InShot app. I've talked about InShot countlessly. We have CapCut. We have UCut. We have Video Maker. We have KineMaster, and so on and so forth. There are numerous video editing softwares that you can literally download for free from your mobile phone and start making use of it. Okay, take a look at this one. Now, this is InShot. I mostly make use of InShot and CapCut and one other editor known as EasyCut. So let me leave here now. After you might have come here, just install any of these video editing app. I will recommend CapCut and also InShot. Okay, these are my two special recommendations. These are the ones most content creators use. Okay, so now let's assume I have downloaded the app already. If you come to my phone right now, you're going to find the InShot application. As you can see it right here, this is the InShot application. Do I have the CapCut application? I don't think so. Let me search for it. I don't think. No, I don't have the CapCut application. I think I've deleted it. But I have the InShot application. One video editing tool is enough for you. You don't need every of it because what you just want to learn is the basics. Okay, now we are here. We have installed the app. How do we get started? It's very simple. All you just have to do is to open the app. If you open the app, it's going to look something like this. You can edit videos, you can edit photos, you can make photo collage, and so on and so forth. There are numerous features these softwares or this application comes with, but the video editing aspect is why we are here. So let me just quickly click on video. It's very simple. Now the app is open. I click on video. Automatically, I'll be a space to, start up a new project will pop up. You see, it's very simple. No rocket science here. I just click on new. Now I want to edit a new project. So let's assume I want to edit this particular video right here. This one right here of about 2 minutes. I just click on it. I mark it good. So this is a video of me. I just created this video basically for this tutorial purpose. So as you can see now, this is a video of me talking blah 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 blah. And let's say the audio is not as loud as I want it to be. All I just have to do is to tap on this project. Now this is the file I want to edit. Let's say I want to add some background music and add some animations and transitions, because these are the basic features of video editing. Once you understand animation, once you understand effects and filters, transitions, and you understand how to trim videos, trim off any part that you don't like, and how to add music, pop-up sound or soundtrack, you are good to go. You have started the journey. Okay, so now let's assume this video is not as loud as I want it. I highlight on it, then I look for volume. As you can see, the volume is not up to 100%. I increase it to 100%, and you know that during video recording, background noise could be entering. I can quickly hit on denoise. Denoise will help me, or the denoise feature will help me silence any background noise that want to enter the video or that have entered the video. It will get rid of it. It will only capture my voice. Okay, so now I have increased the volume of this video. Good and fine. So let's assume that from this part of this video to, let's say, this part of this video, I don't want it. I don't like it. I want to trim it off. It's very simple. Now I have highlighted on the clip. All I just have to search for is split. You see this one that says split? I split it. Then if from here to here is where I want it to end, then I come here again. As you can see, something like this straight bar, this vertical bar is where I will split. If I hit on split, it will split at this section. So now let's quickly hit on split. So as you can see now, this particular part of the video have been cut out from the entire file. So I just click on it. Now I want to omit it. I want to get rid of it. I hit on delete. That is it. Automatically that part is no longer a part of the video. I've omitted it. I've deleted it. Okay, now let's say I want this part of this video to transition to this other part of this video, due to the fact that I've done some splitting and trimming of fluff. So I just click on this icon. As you can see, there are basic transition features here, like this one. You see, like this one, content, crypto, and like this one, content, crypto, and or 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 this one, content, crypto. And so as you can see, okay, let's go with this one, content, crypto. And so there are numerous transition features. Okay, let's observe the transition. Content, you see, automatically it transitioned. Content, it transitioned to the next part of the video. So that's for transition. These are the basic features. Okay, let's say we want to add some effects. Let's say we want to do some adjustments. We want to increase the brightness of this video. Let's say the video is not bright enough. As you can see, if we want to increase the brightness of this video, let's assume it's not bright enough. We just highlight it and then we hit on filter. We see the adjust section. Please pay attention. Okay, I will not repeat this tutorial again. We hit on adjust. Now you will see various segments of the video that we can adjust, like the lightning, which is the brightness. As you can see, I've increased it. I can reduce it. I can increase it. Then we have the contrast. The contrast will help you magnify the color of your skin. You can reduce it. You can increase it. You see, it reduces, it increases. Then we have warmth. Warmth will make your video look cool, like it won't be too harsh. You see, I can do anything, reduce it, increase the warmness. Then I can tint it, like color tinting. I can increase saturation, that's body color, reddish kind of, and so on and so forth. So these are the basic things you just need. These are the basic things you just need to get started. Okay, these are just the basic thing you need. Okay, now let's say we want to add music. We want to add soundtrack, background music to this video. What do? It's very simple. We come, we hit on audio, then we hit on music. So these are various soundtracks that I have on my phone that I can add to the video, like this one that says Far From Home. Listen. Or New Year, New Blessing. Or Rise With Every Steps. Or Digital Heartbreak. Or AI Trap Boss. I have numerous soundtracks and background music on my phone that I use for video editing, and all of these soundtracks are royalty free. Like, I can use it to monetize any content and nobody will claim the soundtrack. Okay, so let's work with this one now. Let's say New Year, New Blessing. Okay, let me hit on this plus icon. So if I play the video now, see, listen, on this channel, what I talking about now. Okay, so it's too high. The soundtrack is kind of louder than the main video file audio. Then I just hit on the soundtrack and I hit on the volume. I can reduce the volume. I can increase it. I can reduce it. Then I reduce it. Play. See, listen, on this channel, what I talking about or what I tutor. Okay, let me still reduce it. Volume. I reduce it to maybe 15 or 14% or thereabout. Then click on it again. I play. What I talk about or what I tutor in and crypto and social media. Okay, so that's it. This is a background music. Background music. You can equally use complete soundtrack, like no voicing, like Rise With Every Step. Okay, I pick this one. Let's say I want to make use of this one. See, listen, on this channel, what? Let me reduce the volume. Reduce the volume. Okay, let's observe. See, listen, on this channel, what I talk about or what I tutor in. Okay, so you can hear the soundtrack playing now. I believe you might have watched some videos where somebody will be talking in that video and some soundtrack will be playing at the background. That is what I just did with my mobile phone. See, listen, on this channel, what most people will not tell you. They will not tell you that this is how this thing is done, you know. To them, they want it to look like rocket science to you, but it's very easy. So guys, this is it. This way I just have to end this tutorial. After everything, this is the export button. When you are done with your edit, you have watched the video and you are sure you like what you've done, you just hit on the export icon. You see export. Automatically it will start exporting the video to a finished file. You see converting video 1%. So that's it. Automatically, once it completes 100%, our fully edited video will be ready for viewing. So that's it, guys. In case you are interested in video editing mentorship, content creator mentorship, anything that has to do with the internet space at all, get in touch with me. I'll guide you as to how it is done. Yes, so that's it, guys. With these basic steps or with these basic processes I've shown you, that you can get started as a content creator. Yeah, you can start publishing content and uploading. All of this content you watch on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, or you think all of them were edited by a highly sophisticated video editing software. No, most of them were edited with mobile phones. Even this one you are watching right now was edited with a mobile phone. So do not hesitate. Do not hesitate. Watch this video. Learn how video editors, edit videos and get started. Okay? But for now, my name is Daniel Anthony. Do not forget, I just have to say I love you all. Bye bye and peace.